Now we will discuss about some anatomical terms. सबसे पहले जान लेते हैं स्केलेटन के बारे में. Skeleton में we have two parts, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. ठीक है, head, neck and trunk. It comes under the axial skeleton. This is the axial skeleton. And the limbs and the legs, they come under the appendicular skeleton. So आपका जो head neck trunk का area है, it comes under the axial skeleton, and जो आपके limbs हैं, they comes under the appendicular skeleton. Now we all are familiar with the basic terminology of anatomy. That is, if this is a person, standing like this. ठीक है, so this is the anterior. आगे वाला जो एरिया है वो anterior, और जो उसका बैक साइड है this is the posterior. तो आगे anterior and पीछे posterior. इसी का दूसरा नाम क्या है? आगे anterior को also it is known as ventral, and पीछे posterior को it is known as dorsal. ठीक है, then अगर कोई भी चीज ऊपर है तो सुपीरियर, और अगर कोई भी चीज नीचे है तो इंफीरियर. अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि विच जॉइंट इज इंफीरियर, रिस्ट जॉइंट और शोल्डर जॉइंट, तो नीचे कौन सा है? रिस्ट जॉइंट. सो रिस्ट जॉइंट इज इंफीरियर बिकॉज ये नीचे है. शोल्डर जॉइंट इज सुपीरियर देन द रिस्ट जॉइंट क्योंकि वो उसके ऊपर है, राइट? देन देयर इज अ टर्म कॉल्ड मीडियल and lateral. So if this is a body and you are going away from the body, तो हम word use करेंगे lateral. We are moving laterally, यानी हम बाहर की तरफ जा रहे हैं, away from the midline. And if you are moving towards the midline, we will use the word medial, यानी we are going medially towards the body, right? So for an example, if we talk about our forearm, this is the anatomical position, ठीक है, जिसमें your palm is facing anteriorly. So the radius is present towards the thumb side. It is present laterally. So the radius is laterally present in the forearm, and the ulna is medially present in the forearm towards the midline of the body, towards the body, and it is away from the body. The radius is away from the body. It is present lateral in the forearm. Then superior हो गया, inferior हो गया, हमारा anterior posterior हो गया, medial lateral हो गया. Then we have the proximal and distal. Proximal, P for proximal, P for pass, D for distal, D for दूर. तो अगर कोई भी दो चीजों की अगर हम बात करते हैं, this is the wrist joint, ठीक है, and here we have the metacarpophalangeal joint, MCP joint. So अगर पूछा जाए elbow joint के रेफरेंस में which joint is proximal, यानी कौन सा joint पास है, so wrist joint is proximal to the elbow joint as compared to the metacarpophalangeal joint. तो proximal का मतलब जब कोई भी चीज किसी चीज के पास है. This is a wall, ठीक है, एक ये वाली बॉल है A and this ball is B. So A is proximal to the wall than B, or B is distal, दूर to the wall as compared to A. So these are the basic terminologies which everyone knows from the first year of their medical life.